God, and thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, this video is going to be very useful for all of you. Why? Because in this video I'm just going to tell you what. Look at, why do most people want to learn English? Then guys, what is today's topic? Why do most people want to learn English? If you want to know answer of this question, so this video is only for you. So please watch the video till the end and I will tell you answer. Okay guys, so let's start the video. Look at guys, what is the first reason why people want to learn English? Look at, primary and secondary language. Do you know guys, English is a primary as well as secondary language of many countries. Now, what do you mean by this statement? I mean to say English is a primary language for those who live in European country. Listen, English is a primary language for those who live in European country. It means the people who live in England, Australia, America, Poland, Holland. So, English is their primary language. I mean to say the people whose mother tongue is English. So, English is their primary language. You know, that's why they learn English. You know, so if I tell you about American, Australian and some countries which are situated in Europe, so they automatically learn English. They automatically learn English because English is their mother tongue. English is their mother tongue. So English is also their primary language because English is used as a primary as well as official language of those countries. Second, what do you mean by secondary language? What do you mean by secondary language? So English is a secondary language of India. You know, after Hindi, English is a secondary language of India. That's why most of the Indian want to learn English. Why? You know, English is a secondary language of India. Okay, as we know, English is not our mother tongue, but it is given very much importance. English is given very much importance, so it is our secondary language, as well as English is also used many offices. Like English is also an official language of India. You know, that's why most of the people want to learn English. So it was the basic reason. First reason was the basic reason why do people want to learn English. I hope you must have understood, because English is a primary language of some countries and English is a secondary language of many countries. That's why people want to learn English. Let's move on. Second reason, used as a subject in school and college. You know guys, English is used as a subject in many schools and colleges of India. If we talk about India, if we talk about our country, so as we know, English is taught as a subject in many schools and colleges. That's why mostly students want to learn English. You know, if you are a student, if you are a school going student or college going student, so you know you have English subject in your syllabus. You have English subject in your syllabus, and if you want to pass out your class, so you should learn English. So mostly students learn English as a subject in India because in their syllabus English is also there. That's why they want to learn English. So what is the second reason? If the students want to pass out their examination, that's why they want to learn English. So it was the second reason. I know it is like, you know, exam is based on written. If they want to pass out any written exam, so as we know there are some specific subjects. As we know there are many specific like Sanskrit, mathematics, science, physics, chemistry, as well as English. English is also subject. And if you are a student of English medium school or college, if you are a student of English medium school or college, so your all subjects are in English. That's why students want to learn English. It was the second reason. Now let's move on third reason. Why people want to learn English? Most used in the technical field. You know, English is such a language that is used mostly in technical field. What do you mean by this reason? I mean to say, as we all know, we all are habitual of operating mobile. You know, we all are in the habit of operating mobile. So if I tell you which language is put in mobile, which language is used, mostly software of mobile, you know, mostly software of mobile, we get English language, isn't it? Whenever you operate mobile, you get some messages, or any information. So there is also use of English. Whether it is a mobile or a laptop or a computer. So technical language is English. There we get technical language of English. That's why if you don't understand the messages, like company send you any message or any software, you get any message. So mostly it is sent in English language. That's why mostly people want to learn English, isn't it? So there are three reasons. Most of the people want to learn English. And apart from them, English is a communicating language. You know, if you want to communicate with anyone, so you can also communicate in English. That's why most of the people want to learn English. So basically, I told you some practical reasons. Here I told you some practical reasons why people want to learn English. And in a general way, English is also compulsory. If you want to go another country, as I told you, so their primary language is English. Like if you want to settle down, like mostly Indian want to go to Canada. You know Canada. So mostly Indian have already settled down. So their primary language is English. So mostly Indians, like a Punjabi community, want to learn English because they want to settle down in Canada. Okay. And secondly, you know, in India, most of the people use also English in their communication. Okay. So I mean to say these are the three basic reasons. These are the three basic reasons. Because of them, most people want to learn English. And English is an international language, and English is also considered the richest language of the world. That's why people want to learn English. So it was all about this class. Okay, guys. If you find this information is useful for you, so please like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today. Jai Hind.